Namaskar. Hello my dear friends. Today we'll learn how to embed files in PDF and then make it clickable, because normally what happens when we do some kind of work on MS Word document and then we convert it into PDF, the embedded form will not open. So that is the main problem. So that's why I came with one resolution, and I learned, and that is how I'm going to share you this new thing. So what you have to do first, we have to open the MS Word document. For example, if I take one new document from here and embedding with clickable link. So this is the file name I'll give, and मान लीजिए यहाँ इसको open कर दिया, and we'll insert table here. So suppose मान लीजिए ये 3 table है, and we are going to enlarge it. So this way, this is just example I'm showing you. So here we will make a serial number. We'll make it shorter. Okay. Then name of the speaker material, like PPT, like PPTs, etc. So yeah, and then here embedded link, So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and suppose here I'll write Mr. So just I'll start with only 2. So yeah. Now if you want, you can make a background here. Background also you can design part. You can go for page borders. You can choose like this 3D. Okay. So page color also you can choose. A light color we can choose here. Okay. So this is page color, and then font also, if you want, you can change. Suppose I want Comic Sans, so I'll type here. So this is Comic Sans, and then bit bigger size. Okay, fine. So now I'm going to do this embedding. So first, what you have to do, you have to ensure that all the PPTs, all the materials, whether it is PPT or PDF document or Word document, it should be saved in Google Drive. That you have to ensure. And then we will go, I will show you how to go. So we will go to Google Drive and generate a link, and then this is how we will do. So just I will show you with practicals. Okay. So suppose here I want to embed this PPT. So what I will do here, insert. Then first I want clickable figure here. So I will take one oval shape. Okay. I will make this also little bigger. Here here I will add text. What I will do, here I will add text. So right click, add text, and then I'll write click here. Click here. I'll underline it, bold, underline, and I'll make it little bigger. Okay. So this way, fine. So now here, click here I am at. Now what you have to do, go to insert and click on the link, and then you have to ensure first you have to open your Google Drive. So just I am opening Google Drive. So file should be ready with you in the Google Drive. So just I am opening this Google Drive link, and then here the file which you want, you have to generate link here. So just what I will do, I will make it share and ensure that it is accessible to everyone with the link, anyone with the link. So copy link, okay, and then here again we will go to insert link, then here you have to current folder, you have to paste and click the OK. So now it is here. Once again I will show you. It is already done. If you want, once again I will show you with another example. So just see how it is opening. Control, click. Here actually once again I will show you. So here right click here, fine, and then you have to select it fully, and then go to insert link and paste here. I have already copied and I have pasted here. So now it is fully covered. So now you can see how it is opening. So control plus click. Now it has opened. The file has opened. This is one PPT which is opening now. Okay. So same way, one more example I will give you. Here I have taken oval shape. Here I will take some another shape. So just I will take a rectangular shape. I will make little bigger this one. Again I will write here by add text, click here, make the font little bigger, underline it, and then if you want to change the background color from here you can change, like whatever color you wish to take. So just I will take this, then again here you have to highlight, okay, and select, go to insert, go to link, and now you open the particular folder which you want to embed or give the link, share, ensure that it is anyone with the link, copy link, fine, and then here you have to paste in current folder, click OK. Now it has come here. If you want to test, we can test. Control, click. So both these files, Word document and then this PDF is opened here. Just you have to click and you can see here. Okay. And this write up also, if you want Word document, you can see here by clicking it here. So this way we can do this. Fine. So my dear friend, I hope this is crystal clear to you, and if any kind of confusion is there, we can interact, we can clear these things. meet once again. Till then, bye. I will meet you in next session. Thank you very much. Hello friends, actually in my previous session just I interacted with you and I had shown you how to embed PDF, embed link in PDF, and that should be clickable, and if you click it should open. One more thing you have to do after finishing the work, after doing everything, just one more time you have to convert it into PDF. So that is what I am showing you now. Just be with me. Yeah. So this is the file which we saw how to do in my previous session, and in this session I am just showing you and how it is opening. So just you have to go to file, then save. I'll save, and here you have to ensure that this is Word document selected. You make it PDF, save it. Now it has saved. Just I will close it, and once again I will show you. Document you can see here, and now here also we will check. See here, PDF document, click here, button is there, and you just click and it will open the file. So it will take you to the owner's Google Drive, and then again if you click here the file will open. So this is one PPT. Just I will scroll down and you just see this way we can do the clickable link. Fine. File which I inserted, that also I will show you. This was PPT, and now this is PDF, and this one is Word document. So all the three I will show you one by one. So PPT already you have seen. Now here it has opened PDF document. Okay. Fine. And then again I will show you the Word document. So Word document also it will open like this. Okay. And here if you want, you can elaborate the things. Okay. That's all from my side, and thank you for being with me. We will meet again in our next session, similar session, and we will be sharing with each other the knowledge and experience gained through self-learning or learning from each other. We'll meet again. Till then, bye-bye.